This is a great question, and I want to talk about, first of all, why we use dryer sheets, and secondly, how you could look up if this is a good product or not. So, first of all, I want to just talk about why we think we need dryer sheets. This is one of the products that I feel like we are being sold a bill of goods about. I haven't used dryer sheets in over 15 years, and I don't miss it at all. I don't find that my clothes really need to be softened. I don't feel that they need to be scented. I always cringe when I go somewhere and I have to use a bath towel that I can tell has like the slime on it from a fabric softener because that stuff is super toxic. So I just want to say, consider maybe not using them and see what happens. And the more natural fibers that you wear and the less synthetics that you wear, the less you will find that you need something like this. But let's say that you do really want to use dryer sheets and you're curious about a particular brand. Here's what you can do. So first I went out and I found this product and I looked at all of the ingredients. And actually most of the things on here are essential oils, but these first two ingredients, actually the first three, I wasn't sure what they were. So there's this page called ewg.org, the Environmental Working Group. Some people love them, some people hate them. I find that they have very good resources about the effects of toxicity on the human body with different body care products, cleaning products, foods, etc. So what I did is I copied this ingredient and I went to this link, ewg.org/guide/substances. And in the search bar here, I just copied and pasted this long thing. And look here. There are some moderate concerns for asthma and respiratory, and moderate concerns or some concern for developmental and reproductive toxicity. So if it were me, I would opt to not put that stuff on my clothes and then get it on my skin, which absorbs that stuff. This is the kind of stuff I work with my VIPs for when we do our home detox, and especially when we're rebuilding a holistic home for you as part of the VIP Complete Holistic Lifestyle 12-week makeover. This opens soon, starts January 2nd. Make sure you get yourself a discovery call if you're interested with the link in my bio. And if you ever want to search more of your body and skincare products, you can actually go to ewg.org and they have a database called Skin Deep. This is what it looks like, and all you need to do is put your company name here or your product name. So I just put in L'Oreal because it was the first thing that I thought of, and you can see that there's a bunch of different results here for that company. And if we scroll down, you can see they give it a hazard rating and tell you more about that. And if you click on the product, then it goes into more details on that. So whether it's looking at individual ingredients or it's looking at the product as a whole, there's definitely resources out there to check out, and I hope you do. Follow for more and add yourself to my mailing list with